Let's take a look at these examples. Again, we're supposed to find radians. Again, I'm going to use this formula. I have radians are equal, copy down, pi over 180 times degrees. Again, because I have fraction, I'm going to write 270 degrees in terms of fraction. 270 degrees over 1. Degrees and degrees will cancel out. 180 and 270, both of them are divisible by 90. I'm going to have pi over 180 divided by 90 is 2 times 270 divided by 90 is 3, and I copy down 1. Next I have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. So I have 3 pi over 2 radians. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this one. I have radians are equal pi over 180 degrees times, in this case I can say 360 over 1. Degrees and degrees will cancel out. We can also cancel these two zeros. And I have 18 and 36. Both of them are divisible by 18. That's why I can reduce these two fractions by 18. That's why I'm going to have pi over 18 divided by 18 is 1 times 36 divided by 18 is 2 over 1. Next, multiply two fractions, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Pi times 2 is 2 pi over 1. 2 pi divided by 1 is equal 2 pi radians. 360 degrees is equivalent to 2 pi radians. Let's take a look at the third example. I have radians are equal pi over 180 degrees times 72.5 degrees. This time we're going to use the calculator to solve this problem because we have no common multiple, which is going to reduce 180 and 72. Now, so simply you're supposed to enter into your calculator pi divided by 180 times 72.5. This is equal 1.26 radians. Okay? You can solve this problem using calculator. These problems you can solve in your head because you don't need much, simply multiplication table. This problem could be a little bit more complex. That's why it's better to use the calculator in order to save the time.